Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce the fundamentals of the timeline. The timeline is at the bottom left of the layout. There are 6 layers in the default settings. You can add or delete any layers based on the project requirement. You can also mute, hide, or lock the layer by using the icons in the layers or in the properties. In the property menu, you can set the condition of the layer. In the general settings, we can set the display conditions for each layer. Only the layers that has the assigned condition will be shown in the stage area. The information level is to label the time of the media so that you can distinguish them when multiple media stacked. When you click on the media in the timeline, the cursor will jump at the beginning of the media to play it. To stop this function, please go to Timeline, uncheck the cursor follows the selected media. In this case, the cursor will change to pink color, and you can click on any position of the timeline. You can edit the timeline properties, including the duration, cursor position, MTC sending in timeline properties. The default duration of the timeline is 2 hours, and you can set it for your requirement, or click on Adaptation to set the timeline duration at the end of your last media. The MTC sending function will introduce it in following videos. You can add control command in the timeline to trigger the playing status, including play, pause, stop, jump, and stop program. We will introduce these functions in the following videos. You can add a timeline layer in the program management and combine both the playback and combine both of the playback functions. The timeline layer is a new timeline. You can find it and edit it next to the main timeline. The last is the standby layer. Right-click on the properties. Change the status to standby. This layer will not be displayed in the stage unless you click on the standby button. You can use this function to switch the key vision media and other media playing quickly. That's all for the fundamentals of the timeline. See you next video.